Welcome, Maths Adventurers. Let's look at linear equation as a riddle, the mystery number that outsmarts you. I'm thinking of a number. If I multiply it by 4 and then add 5, I get the same result as I multiply by 3 and subtract 2. So what is the number? Let x be the number. According to the riddle, if I multiply by 4 and then add 5, it will give me the same result as if I multiply by 3 and subtract 2. So that gives the equation 4x plus 5, which is equal to 3x minus 2. So from here, the equation becomes 4x minus 3x, which is equal to minus 2 minus 5. So from here, we have x to be equal to minus 7, and that will be the answer. Also, I'm thinking of a number. When I triple it, then subtract 7, I get the same result as when I double it and add 4. So what is the answer? Let me know your answer in the comment section.